Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and I have the UMX Conscendo here, and I've done something new to it. You can see it's night outside. I have previously added some blue lights to this, and they work great at night, but not in low light. It was still hard to see, so I replaced them with red and green LEDs. Also, the GST connector I initially used came apart. The wires came out of it. Not really good at putting those together, so I bought from Aliexpress these. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little magnetic connector. This is the one on the wing, and with the magnets they just snap together. Let me show you. There you go. So the wings now have red and green lights. Hopefully they'll be a lot more visible. Not worried too much about nighttime, but in low light, as I said, it was hard to see with just the blue lights. So let me button this thing up and get it in the air. So this is what it looks like right now. Bottom doesn't look fantastic. The previous light strips, I had some clear tape over them, and when I pulled that off, it pulled out the decals. But I don't know, maybe I'll order some a decal sheet for this, get it looking nice again. But I'll try it first tonight, and then hopefully in low light, see if these work. If not, I'll probably switch to white LEDs. Have all these worked well. There should be a full moon, but it's behind these trees, so I guess we're not gonna see it tonight. Okay, let's not waste time. Let me get my radio and get this thing in the air. Okay, here it goes. Ooh, and up she goes. It's pretty windy tonight. Well, it's definitely visible. I can barely see the blue now, depending on the position the plane's in. But the red and green, they do stand out. I'll tell you that. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks in the air. Of course, the all blue lights looked a lot cooler, but function over form for looks. Last time I flew this with lights was just after sunset, and it was really hard to see. Maybe if it had some navigation lights, as other UMX planes do, it would have been easier, but and yeah, the red and green really help with orientation. Usually, until now, I almost exclusively used white LEDs, except on my turbo timber. That one had red and green on the wings as well, but they're facing outwards. Still are. Let's try a loop. Let's hope we don't get any UFO reports. It's pretty high up there. I said it's windy, so it's climbing. I'm gonna try and bring it down a bit. hopefully you guys can see something. I was really hoping I could see the moon, but oh well. There it goes. There's these trees left and right, so I'm worried about getting too close, especially because wind is directly towards me, so it might blow it in the trees. Okay, let's try our roll also. It's still a bit confusing. I have to get used to left is red, green is right. I think it's been a couple of weeks since I last flown. Yeah, I know I've posted on YouTube just a few days ago, but I go out, fly 2-3 planes and post them a few days apart, depending how I have time to edit the videos, upload them, all that. And it's been really hot for a few days. Now for the past couple of days it's been really rainy. And of course I was busy with lots of stuff. So yeah, still have to get back my reflexes for flying. Takes a while, but it's almost 1 a.m. so this is the one and only flight for tonight. Maybe during the day if I have some spare time and weather is decent. But yeah, I've been a bit busy, as I said. Good things happening. Got a new car. I'll probably do a small feature in one of my future videos, because I also chose this car for a particular trim I got with airplanes and RC in mind. That's all I'm gonna say for now. Ooh, getting windy. Hope I can land this close to me. I don't have to walk these fields. It's probably very muddy also. Yeah, and I'm also trying to clean up my garage for the first time in almost 5 years since we moved. So I can hopefully get my car inside. Always had so much crap. And I also want to move my bigger planes that are currently residing in my attic, where it's very hot. And I want to move them in the garage as well. Although the garage is very dusty, and I should also do something about that, but I'll see. Not worst case, I'll just cover them with some plastic foil. I think I can almost see the moon. Yeah, there it is. It's also cloudy, so It's not very bright. Let's see if I can get it in the same shot with the plane. Not in the trees. Get away from the trees. Well, the wind died down. What's my timer? Ooh, oh my god, I still have almost 3 minutes of battery time. I have no idea how long I've been flying. I'm trying to check my 11.1 volts. That's pretty low. I don't think it's the lights drawing that power, but okay, what was it? Flaprons and again flaprons, and one notch further it's spoilerons. The wind picked up again. Let me try and get it closer, and hopefully get a good landing. A car with off-road tires. Woo, 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 woo. Come on. Spoilerons. Nope. Okay, come on. Let's try again. Spoilerons. Overshooting. Go a little further. And yes, I'm doing most of this in safe because it's night. Ooh. I don't want to get disoriented and crash this thing. Especially not go look for it in the dark. That wouldn't be fun at all. Come on, come on. Ooh. Come on. Okay. 11 volts exactly on the battery. Seems to be okay. That was a decent flight. I think I got about 10 minutes. And my timer says, what does my timer say? Still had 246. Oh, that's strange. I think you can see the square. There it is. Oh well, so there it is. The UMX Conscendo, the moon. It's a great flight. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned. More coming soon. See you. Bye.